Hello! Hello!
La la la.
La.
So today is Vlogmas day 18.
Yep.
And Dan is done with work.
It's day Christmas vacation!
It's time for his Christmas vacation to officially start. I made chili for dinner tonight, as you saw a little bit with all my stuff I was doing this late afternoon.
Your stuffs?
My stuffs. Did some.
I'd like to report that I had 0 candy thrown at me, and I had 0. Actually, you hit me a couple times. So
yeah.
It does count.
I threatened to kick. No, I'm just kidding.
I threatened to kick.
But yeah, today is the start of Dan's Christmas vacation, so I have my Santa mini hat on, or Christmas mini hat, or, you know, lady mini hat.
Lady mini hat.
So yeah, we're gonna eat some dinner, watch some Mandalorian. It's the final chapter. Well, not the final chapter. I shouldn't say that. It is the season finale. So we will let you know, without spoilers, what we think of it. Let's go. We got some wrapping done tonight. I still have a little bit more. Dan's presents.
Whose presents?
Dan's presents.
Okay.
Need to be wrapped still.
I already kicked you out of the room first to wrap my presents.
That's true. So then after that, I'll only have like my mom's to wrap.
Yep.
Also, got something put in the mail today. So I did a Beachbody program that I finished at the end of October, and it was called MBF, Muscle Burns Fat, and then after that is MBFA, which is Muscle Burns Fat Advanced. And if you send your pictures with your like results and everything to Beachbody, they send you fun shirts. So we've got MBF, MBFA, and they're each 3 weeks long, each of the programs. Ta-da! I pushed, I fought, I won.
Hashtag I won.
After the program, I think I was down 15 pounds after that. So,
Yeah, really good.
looking forward to doing it again, but I want heavier weights for the next time I do it, but can't find them anywhere right now. So hopefully soon they'll be back in stock and I can get some heavier weights so that I can push myself some more.
Boom.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do after the new year. There's a new program that I want to do with Autumn
Oh.
called 9-Week Control Freak. So I do that. We'll see. We'll see. But anyways, it's Epic Calendar time! And I get a snowman!
Do you want to put up snowman?
A mini mouse snowman. She has to go over here, because the middle one is for all the characters. The middle
Yes.
And day 18. Wow. How is Christmas just a week away?
It's flying by.
I I want it to go so fast. Who ate all the mince pies? Gonna be us.
Gonna be us.
I'm excited. We'll have to figure out what we want them for breakfast.
Yeah.
Or for dessert.
You ate it this time. Good job. You didn't wait till the morning.
It was a nice breakfast treat of chocolate.
Alrighty.
Alright, what's it gonna be?
I think it's gonna be pieces. Ah. Well, not but
It's a miniature.
Pow! Pow!
Easy does it.
Did it.
We don't want any meteors to come towards our gingerbread house.
That would be unfortunate. If one miniature takes down the gingerbread house, then we are poor builders.
True.
But I think it's.
I don't think that's going anywhere.
It's probably going to be a little teeth breaking when we eat into it too.
Maybe. We might have to pull a Swedish chef to break into it. So, if you've seen Sunset Seasons greetings at Hollywood Studios for Christmas time, there's one with the Swedish chef and he's just going to town on this gingerbread house.
My favorite one.
He's like, okie dokie, and then he like puts his hand through the top and he's like
shoves a can of whipped cream in there.
he's just like globbing the whipped cream on. Hilarious. So that would be pretty funny if we did that.
That would be hilarious. Yeah.
We could just put it down like on the middle of the floor in the kitchen with some paper down and just go to town.
We'll see.
Who could be the Swedish chef? Also tonight, I found on the Disney Parks YouTube page that they have a candlelight processional with Neil Patrick Harris that they filmed last year. So I was very excited to find that because it made my night. I was sad, obviously, because we didn't get to experience it in person this year, but it was nice that they did that. And they also had like a history of the candlelight processional prior to the recording, so that was really fun. So I'll definitely be watching that at least one more time this holiday season. I want to show my mom because I keep telling her about the candlelight processional and I know she would love something like that. So maybe on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day we'll watch it then.
Be a good idea.
Yeah. So with that, we will bid you adieu because tomorrow is cookie day!
Cookie day!
Ooh, 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 ooh. Cookies, 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 cookies. We love cookie day, even though it's going to be different this year and strange. But there will be cookies nonetheless. Remote cookie day.
Remote half cookie day.
Yeah. All right, so we will see you all in the morning. Good night.